Hello, this is Katie, and welcome back to Life Scoop, your inside scoop on better living. We're breaking down the 18 foods everyone gets mixed up. 9 belong in the cold, and 9 need to stay out. Here is the system for better freshness. Let's start with the fridge. Obviously, your milk and dairy and your raw meats and fish go straight to the chilliest part of the fridge to stop bacteria. That's safety 101. But for longevity, your leftovers need to get cold fast, and your salads and leafy greens rely on that humidity to stay crisp. Here's a practical habit. Keep your grapes and berries cold, but don't wash them until you eat them. Cheese and yogurt obviously stay chilled, but remember, once you pop the lid on jam and condiments, they join the fridge club too. And finally, keep that fresh juice cold to preserve the vitamins. Now, here's the truth about where most people go wrong. Cold air actually damages these next 9 items. Potatoes lose flavor in the fridge, and onions and garlic get soft and moldy. Keep them in a cool, dark pantry. Never refrigerate bread. It dries out faster. Honey will crystallize into a rock, and coffee loses its flavor profile in the cold. And for the biggest offenders, tomatoes turn mealy in the fridge, while bananas and avocados need the counter to ripen properly. Proper storage isn't just about organizing, it's about respecting the food you buy. Just practical, powerful habits that change how you cook and how you save. For more insights on building better systems for your life, make sure to subscribe.